Good morning. I didn't vlog yesterday the autumn party. It was just... Can you hear Siri freaking out? It was just a really busy weekend, and there was a lot going on at the autumn party, and so I just kind of just hung out. I did get sunburnt, which is why there's no necklace, and I just look like a thumb with a face right now. Siri's upset in the background. She's fine. She's just been like this for weeks, and she does this sometimes, and she's driving me crazy. She just howls all the time, and she is perfectly fine. She is neurotic. It's why we adopted her, but she's driving me crazy. So, also Adam is gone this week. He's in the office, and when Adam is in the office, her behavior is 100 times worse. So I have Rory home with me today. She is not running a fever. She's not throwing up. She's got a little bit of congestion, but she always has congestion. So I don't know if she's sick. She seems sick, but she could also just be really exhausted. The kids had an even bigger weekend than me and Adam because they did a sleepover, they were hanging out with their cousin, lots of time in the sun, which our family doesn't really do. So yeah, today I'm shipping out orders. The last vlog that I recorded, I believe I ended it by saying I'm gonna go knit because I haven't knit for 3 days. I still didn't knit. But when I told you guys I was gonna go knit on the moon landing mittens, I didn't. I actually got hyper-focused again and came out here and made 2 new button designs. So I made... one is very Christmassy and one could be Christmassy. But anyway, so this is 3 different colors of pine trees glazed with that tinted polymer clay or liquid polymer clay. And then this one is kind of a rustic holly. This one keeps trying to come off the tape, so I might have to reapply that tape. And if you look really close, you might not be able to see it. Yeah, it's not gonna focus for me. There's just like some impressions of like a little flower and some dots, just to give it kind of an antique vintage look. I really have so many buttons just spread out all over my desk because I don't have a really good way to store them right now. Anytime today actually, I have the boxes that I ordered to sort the buttons into, and I'm very excited for that because I think that's going to look so nice having all of those put in that box and just to be able to look at. I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna go check on Rory because she just came out here and she's grouchy. She's bored, but she also really doesn't feel good, so it just equals lots of grouchiness. So anyway, I finished the coloring pages for Chomp, and then now I need to do Bot and Moon Landing, so maybe I will actually record me doing those coloring pages. I also think it would be really fun to do like stickers, full color versions of those images. I'm gonna go check on Rory and watch the mail so that I can get all these buttons organized. So here are the coloring pages. It's supposed to be kind of like a sequence of events, I guess. So Chomp goes to the yarn shop and he gets some yarn. He purchases a basket, a mitten pattern. Here's the display only mittens so you can see what they look like. And then Chomp very happily knits on his mittens with his little feet, with big feet sticking out. And then Chomp is so happy because he finished his mittens in time for snow. And I asked Rory if she would like to color some coloring pages that I did for the mittens, and she said yes, I love to color, so I'm going to go find her clipboard and let her color Chomp. So this day has been a weird one. I noticed I was low on mailers on Friday, Thursday, and ordered 1-day shipping for more mailers, and then the weekend happened and I guess I didn't notice that the mailers didn't arrive on Saturday. So I checked the status this morning and all it said was undeliverable. So I ran completely out of mailers and I had 25 orders that had to go out today. Today was the last day for them to go out. So if you have an order that was marked as in transit today for me, and when it arrives, it's like in a box or one of these mailers kind of like folded up, it's because I literally had no other mailers, and I'm sorry. Just made coffee and got a cookie. Willa brought by leftover cookies and leftover Texas sheet cake and leftover pumpkin pie. So I'll break this open so you can see, because I didn't tell you yesterday, the cookies actually turned out fine. So here's the insides. Like they held together and everything. Okay, I'm going to just take a quick coffee break, and then I'm going to sculpt some more buttons and some charms. There is a sale going on in my shop and I think all across Etsy. It's called the Cyber Deals Sale. It goes from the 23rd of October to the 19th of November, and I saw a thing pop up on my Etsy app that was like, do you want to participate in the sale? If so, here's what are the terms for your side of the sale. And so my terms are, if you spend $30 or more in my shop, you automatically get a discount of 20% off of your purchase. I've talked a lot. I'm gonna go work now.